Hi, I'm Roselien Steur from sketching.nl, and together with Koos Eissen I wrote the book Sketching, Product Design Presentation. We now shifted our focus from how to sketch to the context of design sketches. The first chapter describes the theory of the reptilian brain. We start with this because it kind of puts the other chapters in another perspective. It states that there are several layers in our brain according to evolution. The reptilian layer is one. It has to do with your gut feeling and your instinctive impulses to, well, in this case, something that you see. The chapter of Gestalt, Gestalt is about pattern recognition of visual information. In this chapter we work towards how to make an effective composition. We will explain several important principles of Gestalt. And here you can see at this page how we first get a basic understanding of a principle, and then right after you see it translated into the product design context. These little thumbnail images, these visually link to the design showcases, and they will be used throughout the book to further make a connection between theory and reality. That's what will make this book differ from a lot of books on, for example, Gestalt. We all have seen, or you may have seen, images like this, but now you can also see how the principles are applied. We also explain a lot about color, specifically how color can bring unity in a sketch or a presentation. Next chapter, visual semantics. The focus is on the meaning that visual information can contain. It is in this chapter that you can feel the influences of different visual cultures. We discuss also in this chapter archetypes and the abstraction, for example, and how they can be of use in product visualization. And in the chapter we have just read about abstraction and motion, for example, and you can see the thumbnail here with a page indication. So you flip through that page and you see the images there, and they relate to abstraction and motion. And in the note that you see here is described why exactly and how. By using the thumbnail images throughout the book and the supporting notes in the cases, we were able to understandably link one design case to more than one chapter. Because again, when you make a presentation, you take all kinds of aspects into consideration, of course. The next chapter is about visual rhetoric, and here we discuss aspects like visual context of the work, but also the context of the viewer of the work, because rhetoric is all about the art of convincing and how you tell a certain story in order to get the message effectively delivered at the audience. The last chapter, that one describes perception in a more holistic kind of way. We can see there the influences of the various theories described earlier. And it basically describes how you can experience a presentation and how the previous theories can be of aid to bring this process to a success. Thanks for watching. We hope you will enjoy Sketching Product Design Presentation.